Hello everyone to a second video about Edinburgh, whatever. Um, so there's not much to say. I just felt rather bored. I think I reached the level where you go traveling by yourself, and now I'm at that point of I'm like, okay, come on, I need some interaction. I need someone to talk. Like I feel like I did discover all around the city what needs to be discovered, and now I'm just like at the stage where I'm like, okay, I would not mind some interactions. Like now it's getting lonely, not too much, but also like usually I like to talk to people who travel as well by themselves, but this time I haven't really met someone who I could approach and be like, oh, you're traveling by insurance by yourself or something like this. So this is another frustration that I'm going through. But they are really pretty. So now I yesterday evening discovered a really nice bookshop, really cute. My goal is to go there, but first to grab something sweet on the way, like anything sweet but yummy, like not cheap sweet, like good sweet. Something that I'm like, this taste I will remember. Today I had like something that I don't know. It was like fried. It was like something Japanese, but I don't remember. It was fried. It was with rice and curry. I didn't even know that curry was a thing, but apparently it is. It tasted really good, and some miso soup next to it, and yeah, it was really nice. But now I would like to. And then I had a chicken shawarma, which was decent, nothing good, but edible. Still need to get used to these directions, like it's all the opposite, so I don't die. Therefore I always look both sides just to be sure that if I look on the wrong side, that the other side is at least still free and I will not die. Yeah, for me it's clear. I really have reached the experience. Huh. I didn't know that these are Scottish. I might get something for my group because it's kind of a tradition to bring something with you after a conference. So let me check what they have. Yeah, now I'm at this stage where I just make irrational spending, I guess. So I'm not into clothing, therefore this side of the store is not really mine. I'm really someone. Okay, look here. It's a bit too ridiculous. Whiskey fudge. I really don't know what to get. All butter. I might get one of these big packages there. Oh, nice chocolate. It always feels so ridiculous to invest money in chocolate if you're coming from Switzerland. It's like, yeah, I have good chocolate. I just wanted to taste how bad your chocolate here tastes, kind of thing. So I try to avoid buying it. But sometimes it's just nice to get an idea of what other people consume as chocolate and if it's nice or not. Sometimes there is actually good, like the Belgian chocolate. I don't get the hype. I really do not understand it. I think it tastes terrible, but they like it, and I tried all sorts of it. It's just not good. I'm not sure if it's the milk, if it's the water. It's just not good. Yesterday I was talking to someone from Pakistan, and he told me that the food here in the UK tastes different, and the reason he gave me was that he believes that, oh, this will be so stupid in the video format. Well, he believes that the taste of the water matters a lot, and therefore you cannot replicate it. It's not possible. I don't know if this is true or how true this is. I do believe it certainly plays a role, but if it's that significant, this I'm not aware of. Okay, I need to stop to take a picture.